Then next one, we would like to introduce our corner rack. Our corner rack. Corner rack is also popular in the market. This one, the item number is CJC 1035. It's our classic wholesale product in the market. The size is 30 by 30. The shelf shape is fan-shaped shelf. This two is same poster diameter. This three is same poster diameter. 14 millimeter. Their size are different. This one is 35 by 35, and their height. This height is 1.50, and this is 70. This is 80. If you like it, please tell us the item number. And this is the package of this item, 4 shelves. The package is small because the post is connected way, and we just make the package for the shelf size, and with this handle brown box. And these two, they're different on the poster diameter and the shelf size. And for this item, is mainly used for the living room, and these three mainly for the bathroom and kitchen room. So if you like our corner rack, please contact our sales.